Ayan, narito tayo ngayon sa St. Andrew at itong nakikita nyo na may karsada, ito yung phase 1. Yun. Ako, nandun yung phase 3. Yan yung phase 3. Yan. And phase 2, yung may mga graba. So bago nagkaroon ng road itong phase 1, sold out na. Kaya ngayon, ang good opportunity with a minimum cut ng lot na 102 square meter, pwede kayong kumuha dalawa, tatlong lote dito sa phase 3 and 2 dahil hindi magtatagal, maso-sold out na to. It's a good investment kung naghahanap kayo ng residential. It's a good investment kung naghahanap kayo ng future income opportunity for real estate investment. Ang pinaka-landmark nito ay North Star Mall. So dito sa St. Andrew, mag-invest muna kayo ng lote and then after that, saka natin patayuan ng inyong preferred na house model. Either 2 bedroom yan, 3 bedroom or 4 bedrooms. I-assist namin kayo sa inyong lot investment and future house and lot investment. See you here. At ito ay available din through Pag-ibig Financing.